Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. We're going to start with taking a walk around the exterior. I'm going to talk you through some of the major talking points and features on this fantastic 420D M Sport Gran Coupe presented in the Estoril Blue. We've also of course fitted a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit, which you'll see as we go around the vehicle, alongside adding these very nice 20-inch 405M style alloy wheels, which again are all brand new with brand new tyres. Situated behind those wheels, you will see the M Sport Plus brakes. That is thanks to this vehicle being equipped with BMW's superb BMW M Sport Plus pack. Down the side of the car, you'll notice the gloss black air breathers, and again, thanks to that Plus pack, the sun protection glazing and the gloss black air breathers on the front wings, satin side vinyls, matching side bars, and the YNC Mperformance decals. Moving on to take our first glance at the interior, again showing you off in the meantime the very nicely presented exterior. We've got the black Dakota leather on this car, which comes with both the heated and the electric lumbar options, and of course that superb Harman Kardon surround sound with Logic 7, again thanks to the Plus pack. It's a 6-speed manual in this vehicle, along with that very nice 2-litre diesel up front. Moving on to give you a glance at the rear seats, where you'll find the 3-seat Civics rear bench arrangement with a central folding armrest, and we get a darkened M Sport headline, and of course everything very nicely presented in the rear once again, and all very spacious and very comfortable. Again showing you off those stunning alloys, and of course they're situated behind them, again the larger M Sport Plus brakes. At the rear we've added a gloss rear boot spoiler and satin diffuser, and if you've not yet seen, a cool little party piece for the Gran Coupe is the automatic opening and closing tailgate, which reveals an exceptionally large boot space. And of course you also get split folding seats and the genuine BMW mats there presented very nicely once again. At the other side we'll be able to show you that the Estoril Blue really does work exceptionally well with all of the additions we've made here. And of course the car sits very nicely on the 20-inch alloy wheels. And of course we'll head on shortly inside the car to of course run through some of the very special interior features of the car. Just showing you off once again the space behind the driver's side, and just showing you how nice and clean and tidy everything is once more. So once we're sat comfortably inside, we're greeted immediately with the professional wide navigation and media screen, currently displaying the media listing, one of those being CD, DVD, and of course your music collection, along with external devices which covers you for USB, Bluetooth audio and AUX. We've also of course got DAB, along with your Bluetooth audio. You of course also have Bluetooth telephone. Heading back to the main menu, where of course in a moment we'll check out the vehicle service history and service requirements. This is a very low mileage car, having covered just over 34,000, and I mentioned it just a moment ago, it's a 6-speed manual. We've also got cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, all situated on again a very nicely presented, very well kept M Sport steering wheel. Heading into the vehicle information, and at the service requirement screen there, you can see it on board and on screen now. Everything is all in the green, and it's not due a service for 9,000 miles time. In terms of vehicle service history, it's got full BMW, which is of course always a great peace of mind, and owing to the fact that it's not due a service for 9,000 miles time, is plenty of time until any service requirements are going to have to be spent on the car. So with all of our walk around videos, I do hope you've enjoyed it and of course found it useful. If you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below, and I'll happily get back to you as soon as possible. And of course further information can be found in the description box in terms of our website link, and of course direct contact with us here at Your Next Car. Thanks for taking the time to watch it. Hopefully we'll see you soon, and hopefully it's been a helpful guide, and hopefully you'll be able to make an informed decision upon purchasing your next car. Thank you guys, see you soon, take care, goodbye.